Hi, I'm Steve Binyon with Marks Marine Incorporated of Hayden, Idaho, and we're out on Thursday afternoon. It's nice and chilly and late fall, and we're answering some questions many of our customers have asked about the HDS series fish finder that's actually on the water. Now, I'm on Hayden Lake, which is a lake fairly close to the shop. Unfortunately, this lake is not terribly deep. Right now we're at about 120 feet. I'm sorry, about 93 feet. Some of the lakes, like north of here, Pend Oreille is 1,400 feet deep, so you can imagine it's real deep. One of the questions I get here is when I'm in deep water, I have a hard time seeing fish. What am I doing wrong? One of the things that I find with my customers that they often do wrong is trying to take too big of a bite of the pie, I call it. If your water column is, let's say, 400 or 500 feet deep, and you're trying to actually see the bottom while you're fishing, the vertical pixel count is divided up by the water column. So let's say we're 600 vertical pixels and we're in 600 feet of water. A fish would have to be 1 foot big to show up as one dot. So as you can imagine, bait fish are going to be really difficult to see. So what I recommend, and if you're fishing these open water species like trout, is to use your upper and lower limits. Now, in this particular graph setting that I have right now, we're over an area that really doesn't have any fish in it. But hypothetically, let's say we saw a lot of fish in the 60-foot range or the 80-foot range, and we're in 200 feet of water. Take your menu button, go to range, and go to custom, and press the enter button, and this will let you set the upper and lower limits. So if I'm running downriggers, and let's just say there's a little activity here, I'm going to set my upper limit at 40, and just highlight the box, press enter, set that on 40, press enter, go to the next box, we're going to set that at 80, press enter, press enter, and then push OK, and now the screen is only going to show us from the depth that we selected to the base depth that we selected. And that's all you're looking at, and at this point we can divide the water column. So you can see how much larger the fish, that little fish that we were looking at, is in this picture right here. To get back to your normal screen, all you do is press menu, go to range, and then press auto range, press enter, and it'll automatically adjust out, and you can see the difference right there.